If you need to feel closer to God, this video is for you. We're going to hear the Lord's Prayer in the language Jesus spoke. Peace be with you. Today, let's go back in time and hear the words of Jesus. We'll pray together in Aramaic, the language Jesus used. Avund boshmaya, net qadash maktete malkutak nehwet zevianach aikanna dbashmaya, af barha havlan lakhmad sunkanan. Yawmana ushbuklan khawbain aikanna dafknan shbuknan lakhayabain. Wela talan laneshuna elapatsan min bishametol, the dilakhi malkutha, wahaila watashburtha, lahlam almin. Amen. Feel God close to you. Feel His peace and His love. Like, comment, and subscribe for more prayers. God bless you all.